Hello CA final aspirants, hope all of you are doing great. Receiving calls from students of several states inquiring our next CA final face-to-face regular batch. Thanks for showing interest and trust on us. As an answer to all those queries, I am making this video with complete details of our 32nd CA final new regular batch aiming for May or November 2025 attempts. Of course, students planning to appear for their CA final exams in May 2026 can also come and join in this batch. We take pride in humbly informing you that Masterminds is pioneer in South India to impart best coaching for CA/CMA courses. I am sharing this information for the sake of students who are not aware of our organization and who have come across our organization for the first time. For each subject, we cherry-picked the best faculty team across the country. Let me introduce our faculty team. So, financial reporting and advanced financial management will be taught by CA E. Srinivas sir. He is a renowned faculty from Hyderabad with 15 years of teaching experience, and he will teach the entire each subject in 225 to 250 hours. For the students who purchase the recorded videos of AFM, we will arrange the videos of A.N. Sridhar sir. He hails from Mumbai, having 3 decades of rich teaching experience in finance and capital markets. He is a renowned faculty at Mumbai, Jodhpur and Bangalore for his exceptional teaching, and he taught his subject in nearly 250 hours. Advanced auditing and professional ethics will be taught by CA and CMA Rohit Grover sir from Hyderabad. He has 12 years of rich teaching experience, and he will teach this subject in 225 to 250 hours. So, direct tax laws and international taxation will be taught by CA Ramchandra sir from Hyderabad, having more than 17 years of experience. He will teach this subject in approximately 250 hours. Indirect tax laws will be taught by CA Lijal Lakshman sir from Kerala, having 10 years of rich teaching experience. He will teach this subject in 250 hours. For all the 5 subjects together, we will provide nearly 1250 hours of detailed coaching with crystal clear conceptual clarity to the core. And we are going to commence the classes from 5th of December, and syllabus will take approximately 5 to 6 months. You can watch the demo lectures of our faculty team in our YouTube channel Masterminds for CA and CMA. You can also find its link in the top right corner of this video in the card section and also in the description of this video. Here are the reasons why 1250 hours of detailed coaching is required. So, CA Institute is testing the students from nook and corners of the syllabus. 30% MCQs are introduced in all the subjects. That means now the institute has got an opportunity to test your knowledge in another 30 different areas. So, compared to earlier attempts, the quality of the question paper has improved drastically. That means we need to gear up to meet the examination standards, and hence we have decided to increase the teaching hours. So, every week we will conduct chapter and exams. Most probably no other academy is conducting examinations in this manner at final level. After syllabus completion, we will even conduct study hours and revision exams to the interested students at an additional fee. As a part of this service, we will conduct study hours for 10 to 12 hours a day, and we will conduct 2 revision exams a week at par with public exam standards. We will also conduct 1 set of pre-final exams. We will offer this CA final coaching in 3 different flexible modes, and you are free to choose one among these 3. First of all, complete physical batch, that is face-to-face classes. You know pretty well that face-to-face classes are the best, and these classes will be conducted at Guntur. The second option is complete online batch. So that is the face-to-face classes will be live telecasted through encryption software. You can even interact with the faculty and can even clarify your doubts. For 2 subjects, we will arrange recorded videos, and for the remaining 3 subjects, we will arrange live telecast. And the third option is video on demand, that is recorded video classes. Videos will be shared in encrypted form through Google Drive, and you can watch them in a Windows computer or Android mobile or tab. We do enormous research on materials and exam question papers, and you will surely get benefited from the same. Let us have a glance at the achievements of our students, which stand as a hallmark of our quality services. So far, we successfully completed 31 batches of CA final in Guntur and 4 batches in Hyderabad. and our students have achieved a total of 400 All India ranks at CA or CMA final level alone. So every year we provide services to more than 2,500 CA CMA final level students, and students from more than 15 states trust and join with us. So till now our students have achieved All India first rank for 54 times in all courses that we offer, and a cumulative total of nearly 1351 All India ranks in all stages of CA CMA courses. In the last 5 years alone, our students have achieved All India first rank for 10 times in all the stages of CA CMA courses. In just one single attempt of May 2024, 872 students, I repeat, 872 students have qualified either single or both groups of CA final. Remember, there will be 2 attempts in a year, and this is our result in just one single attempt. I am recording this video on 25th November. From time to time, decisions may get revised. That is why update yourself with the latest changes on the date of joining. Now let me answer some frequently asked questions. First of all, can CMA final students also join in this batch? I don't recommend. So please wait till February 2025. And we will be launching our 5th regular batch for CMA final exclusive students. What are all the services available for May 2025 attempt students? First of all, recorded videos of all the subjects are available, and we will provide them within 3 days of your purchase. And you can purchase the videos of both the groups or group wise or subject wise. Study hours and revision exams batches have already started, and the first revision exam is scheduled for 1st December. Those who cannot attend study hours physically can attend the same exams through Masterminds test series, which you can purchase from our app Masterminds online classes. The next question is, for how many papers are we going to charge the coaching fee? We will charge the coaching fee for 5 papers only, that is FR, AFM, Advanced Auditing, DT and IDT. So paper 6, that is Integrated Business Solutions, also known as IBS, requires the knowledge of all the 8 papers of CA final, including SPOM, that is self-paced online modules. That's why IPS paper does not need any coaching, and you can prepare it on your own. Now let us see who can join in this batch. Old Mastermind students, that is both SSP as well as non-SSP students, and non-Mastermind students, that is outsiders, can also come and join in this batch. Since classes are taught in 100% English, students of other states can also comfortably come and join in this batch. And here is the tentative schedule of classes. For the first 3 days, we will conduct classes for just 1 hour a day. On 4th and 5th days, 4 hours a day. On 6th and 7th days, 9 hours a day. After that, we will conduct classes for 9 to 10 hours a day. We will arrange backup video classes for late joining students as well. Now the question is it required for old Masterminds SSP students to pay any fee? So actually, coaching is free for all old SSP students of Masterminds, and it is sufficient for students to pay a nominal amount of admission fee. If you want to attend face-to-face classes, then that is CPB, then you need to pay a nominal amount of AC charges as well. Now the next question is, can students join for group-wise or subject-wise coaching? Old SSP students must take admission for both groups only. Remaining students can take admission either group-wise or subject-wise or both the groups. For more details, feel free to contact our team, and here are the contact details. So hope I have given you the complete information required for you to take a wise decision. All the best, my dear students.